Hello guys, this is our example 3 of model in machine learning. So I'm telling you about that, so get ready for that, and please hit the like button, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. Like in the previous video we learned about the example 2 data. So in today's video we are learning about the example 3 model. Okay, so let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in the machine learning video, I'm telling about the example for model. So let's get started and let's tell you about the model example 4. So let's get started. Shuffle data. Always shuffle data before training. When your model is trained, the data is divided into a small set. Okay, when your model is trained, in the data will divided into a small set batches. Each batch is then fed to the model. Shuffling is important to prevent the model getting the same data over again. If if you are using the same data twice, the model will not be able to generalize the data and give the right output. Shuffling gives a better variety of data in each batch. In the example, in this syntax, here you can see we write like tf.util.shuffle data. TensorFlow tensors. To use TensorFlow, input data needs to be converted to tensor data. Like this one example, let me copy the example. Copy it, and when I make one file, new file, I make one file, machine learning .html. It not give you any output because I not write that type of such code. It give you the output. When I make this file on document, so what I can do, I write like a doc type, I write here HTML, then here I write like head, and then what I can do, I write here body, and in the body I write like here script, and in the script I wrote this type of code, and then here I write JavaScript. Save it, and then when I go here and when I say JavaScript, when I say here JavaScript tensor flow tensor.js. So when I save it and let me open my file on my index.html, let me open my file. So when I open my file, let me first of all save it. Let me open the file on machine learning. So it give me like JavaScript tensor.js. Here you can see it like that. So like that you can do it very easily. Yes. Data normalization. Data should be normalized before it begin use in neural network. A range of 0 equals to -1 using min-max are often best for numerical data. Here you can see this one syntax. TensorFlow model. A machine learning model is an algorithm that produces output from input. This example uses 3 lines to define a ML model. This example, it is defining a ML model, only defining it, not give you any such type of output. But these 3 lines are defining the ML model. Sequential ML model. This one syntax of the sequential ML model. In this example, we create a sequential ML model. In a sequential model, the output flows directly to the output. Other models can have a multiple inputs and multiple outputs. Sequential is the easiest ML model. There it allows you to build a model layer by layer with weights that correspond to the next layer. TensorFlow layers. Model.add. Model.add is used to add 2 layers to the model. tf.layer.dance is a layer type that works in most cases. It multiplies its input by a weight matrix and add a numbers bias to the result. Shapes and units. Input shape in the square bracket 1 because we have one input x equals to rooms. Units 1. It defines the size of the weight matrix, one weight for each input at x value. Compiling a model. If you compile a model with the specified optimizer and loss function, this one example, this one syntax, the compiler is set to use the SGD optimizer. It is simple to use and quite effective. Mean squared array. It is a function we want to use to compare model predictions and true values. Okay. So this video is very smaller because in today's video, this one example 4, and in today's video I told you about the model. So I hope your concept will be clear about it. What are model? Example 4. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, So please hit the like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future latest videos. So now I'm in next class, and next week I'm using that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.